Hey people, so we are in Kashmir and this place is called the Gurez Valley, and basically I'm part of this thing known as, I'm here part of the Kashmir Experience. That is a program organized by Zostel. They have hostels all across India, and it's just so nice. We have like friendly locals, and our vehicles have stopped somewhere. So really, I think it's just breathtaking. So if you have to take a look, मेरा ना YouTube का चैनल का नाम है हाफ सिंधी लिटिल मल्लू. अगर हो सके, अगर आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकें तो. So it's just here बच्चा. Okay, we have like people. So this is how beautiful it is.